In the dynamic world of freelancing, the year 2024 has unfolded as a landscape rich with opportunities for those armed with right skills. As businesses continue to navigate the digital transformation, the demand for specialized freelancers has skyrocketed. The annual Freelancing in America study by Upwork confirms that 64% of professionals with high demand freelance skills choose freelancing willingly. Not only that, social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have opened vast opportunities for freelancers. This video will dive into the top 7 high income freelancing skills that are shaping the future of your work. We will talk about 7 freelancing skills that pay well. From graphic designers to marketing specialists, each role is crucial. So, without further ado, let's start with the first high income freelancing skill.
Digital marketer. In 2024, digital marketing will emerge as a high income freelancing skill due to the accelerating shift towards online platforms. Businesses are investing more in digital channels, with advertising spend in digital marketing projected to exceed $500 billion globally. This surge underscores the demand for skilled digital marketers capable of leveraging SEO, content marketing, and social media to drive brand awareness, customer engagement, and conversions. Their expertise not only amplifies online presence, but also significantly boosts return on investment ROI, making them invaluable assets to businesses aiming to thrive in the digital realm. The next high income freelancing skill is graphic designer. In 2024, graphic designers are at the forefront of the freelance market due to the skyrocketing demand for digital content. With brands striving for unique identities, the need for custom visuals has never been higher. Talented graphic designers can earn significantly, with top freelancers making upwards of $85 per hour, depending on the complexity and scope of the project. Their ability to combine art and technology sets them apart, making graphic design not just a high income skill, but also an essential asset for businesses aiming to stand out in a crowded digital landscape. In addition to traditional graphic design work, the demand for animated videos and captivating thumbnails has surged in 2024. Graphic designers proficient in animation software such as Adobe, After Effects, or Blender find themselves in high demand, commanding premium rates for their skills. Next high income skill is web developers. Web developers stand out as high income freelancers due to the ever increasing need for businesses to maintain a robust online presence. As e commerce and digital platforms continue to dominate, the demand for skilled developers who can create, update, and manage websites is soaring. Freelance web developers can earn significantly, with average hourly rates ranging from $50 to over $150, depending on expertise and project complexity. This financial potential makes web development not just a viable career path, but a lucrative one, attracting professionals to innovate in creating dynamic, user friendly websites. So, this was about web development skills. Now, moving on to the next skill, which is social media manager. In 2024, the role of a social media manager is more lucrative than ever, with businesses allocating substantial budgets to digital marketing to enhance their online presence. With the average salary ranging from $50,000 to over $70,000 annually, experts adept at crafting viral campaigns, engaging content, and analyzing social media trends can earn even more, especially if they specialize in high demand niches or work with top tier clients. Their ability to directly influence brand visibility and consumer engagement makes them key players in the digital marketing arena, commanding high incomes for their specialized skill set. Next skill on the list is editor. In 2024, editing emerges as a high income freelancing skill due to the escalating demand for polished, engaging content across digital platforms. Editors who can enhance clarity, maintain voice, and ensure grammatical perfection are pivotal in distinguishing quality content from the vast digital noise. With businesses and creators striving to build credibility and engage audiences effectively, skilled editors can command substantial fees, often ranging from $50 to over $100 per hour, depending on their expertise and the project's complexity. This financial potential underscores editing's critical role in content creation and digital marketing strategies, making it a lucrative skill for freelancers. Now, coming to the next freelancing skill, marketing specialist. In 2024, the role of a marketing specialist stands out as a high income freelancing skill due to the strategic importance of digital marketing in reaching and engaging target audiences. With businesses increasing their online presence, specialists adept in SEO, content marketing, and data analytics are crucial. On average, freelance marketing specialists can earn significantly, with top earners making upwards of $100,000 annually, depending on their expertise and the industries they serve. This role's demand is fueled by the need for nuanced marketing strategies that drive growth and sales in a competitive digital landscape. Coming to the last high-income freelancing skill, project manager. Project management has become a high-income freelancing skill in 2024 due to the pivotal role project managers play in guiding projects from inception to completion. They orchestrate timelines, budgets, and team dynamics, ensuring projects meet objectives efficiently. With businesses increasingly relying on freelance talent for project execution, skilled managers are in high demand. Freelance project managers can earn significantly, with some reports indicating annual earnings up to $100,000 or more, depending on the project's complexity and scope. This lucrative potential makes project management a sought after skill in the freelancing world. Thanks for watching our exploration of the top 7 high income freelancing skills for 2024. As the digital landscape evolves, these skills play a vital role in shaping the future of work. Whether you're a graphic designer, marketing specialist, web developer, social media manager, editor, project manager, or digital marketer, your expertise is invaluable. Stay tuned for more insights on navigating the ever-changing world of freelancing.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.